What's up, guys? Today, 3 evolution packs. We're going to put them in a little pile. I have 2 Charizards, 1 Raichu. Start off with a Charizard. Ah! Oh my god, it's putting up a fight. I can't get this one open. I'm going to have to, I'm saving that one for last. I'll do the other Charizard. Sheesh. Whew, there we go. Vulpix, Electabuzz, Magikarp, Ghastly, Sandshrew. Ooh. Ooh. Shiny. Arcanine. Dugong. Professor Oak's Hint. A Special Energy. Super Potion. And the code. Can you guys see that? There you go. Now I'm going to do the Raichu. Oh, why are these so hard to open? These are too hard. Ah! Oh my gosh. I'll be right back. I'm grabbing a knife. I'm right here, guys. Grabbing a knife. Where's the board? It's a mini knife, but it's a knife. Or a sword. It's a sword. Sword. Raichu. This won't even cut it. There we go. That was a real big struggle. Ooh. Charmander. Diglett, Ghastly, Caterpie, Drowsy, ooh, shiny Diglett, Dugong, what is that? Blastoise, Spirit Link, Misty's Determination, a Poliwhirl, and then the code. Oh. There we go. And now for the last one. I'm going to also need to use my mini sword for this. It's a Charizard. There we go. Oh, didn't cut it. There we go. Code. I'm going to do that thing that I see other YouTubers go. 2 from the top, and then you put it under those 2. I don't know what it does. Rattata, Weedle, Voltorb. Oh, I gave it away. Sheesh. Ah! Poliwag, Ghastly, Poliwhirl, shiny, Haunter, Energy Retrieval. Oh my gosh. Oh! No way! No way. Look at this Chansey. Look at it. It's boss. It's beast. And then the last thing, Pokédex Trainer. But this Chansey is like the best thing that we got. Or the Arcanine. The Arcanine was really cool. Thanks I didn't get an EX. Last time I pulled an EX, which was sick. But this time I didn't. But it's okay. I'm acceptive. I like this. I'm gonna put this with my other cards. Perfect. Peace out. That's all for today. I'm gonna try to upload more. Can't make promises. I'm sorry. Peace out. And I got these packs at Showcase Comics in Swarthmore. Best place ever. The packs are like $3. Well, peace out. Bye.